I'm in Hong Kong. It's I don't know, December 11th, 2015, and I seldom go gaga over something. 55 for the most part. You've seen a lot of things in your life by this stage. This is a mid-70s Rolls Royce, and I have to tell you, it's in immaculate condition. It's the original paint. The owner I met a little while ago, and it's all the original parts. The only item of significance is that the valves and whatnot, pistons, he literally has them custom made now at a machine shop in Hong Kong, principally because they're hard to get, the originals. In the aftermarkets, just, you know, obviously wouldn't be the same. But this is beautiful. Again, original paint. I mean, if you look on the inside, which it's hard to see, and I don't want to make anybody nervous by looking at the inside, but it's just beautiful. You can't imagine how gorgeous this vehicle is. Again, mid-70s Rolls Royce, simply gorgeous. Not a dent, not a speck of rust. Just gorgeous. So I'm generally not a hawker, but this is about as good as it gets. There are a lot of, there's a lot of beautiful things in life. None of them are more beautiful than my wife, but I have to tell you, she dumps me. This is number one. I gotta tell you. Nothing personal. This is gorgeous. Anyway, Rolls Royce, mid-70s, vintage. I'm in Hong Kong, and there you have it.